Here are my top 10 recommendations for the best places to visit in Canada. Banff National Park, located in the Canadian Rockies, this beautiful park offers stunning scenery, hiking trails, and opportunities for skiing and snowboarding. Toronto, the largest city in Canada, Toronto is a cosmopolitan and diverse city with a vibrant arts and culture scene, as well as a range of excellent restaurants and shopping. Niagara Falls, located on the border between Ontario and New York, these iconic falls are a must-see for any visitor to Canada. The Rocky Mountaineer, this luxurious train journey takes you through the stunning landscapes of the Canadian Rockies, offering breathtaking views and an unforgettable travel experience. Quebec City, this historic city is known for its charming old town, which is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. Whistler, located in British Columbia, this popular ski resort is also a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts in the summer months, with activities such as mountain biking, hiking, and golfing. The Cabot Trail, this scenic driving route on Cape Breton Island in Nova Scotia offers stunning coastal views and opportunities for whale watching, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The Okanagan Valley, located in British Columbia, this region is known for its beautiful lakes, wineries, and outdoor recreation. Montreal, the second largest city in Canada, Montreal is known for its rich history, excellent food scene, and vibrant arts and culture. The Yukon, this northern territory is home to stunning natural beauty, including mountains, forests, and the northern lights. It's a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts and those interested in Indigenous culture.